Hi everyone, I'm Miss Julie with the Madison County Library System. Spring is finally here. So today we're going to be making a fun beaded butterfly craft. We're going to start by stringing our beads on our first pipe cleaner. After we have our beads on, we're going to take the ends and we're going to wrap them together. You don't want it to be too tight because we're going to then go around the middle and we're going to twist it just like that. And there we have our first butterfly wing. Now we'll do the same with our second. There we go. Our 2 wings are done. The next thing we're going to do is make our little antenna. I'm going to bend it in half. You're going to need 2 pony beads. So we're going to take the first one, bend it down, and we're going to curve it. And we're going to do the same on the other side. After everything's ready, we're going to assemble our butterfly. And there you have it, our spring beaded butterflies.